Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I'm noticing a door's been left open, and let's have a look at how that affects the front doors. We've been sent here to adjust these door closers. The door closers are quite strong, and what I'm noticing is that the door closer is quite sufficiently mounted, sufficiently powered, but when you open the door, you can hear quite a lot of wind pressure there. And when the lift goes up and down, it creates even more. So that door closer is strong enough to defeat the air pressure, but every time a door is open or there's more wind coming through, it actually comes through like a tunnel effect, comes through here, comes through here, and all this wind, when this door's open, the wind comes rushing through here, creating resistance on this door closer. So the only other option is to get an even bigger door closer, or remove this glass panel and put some mesh there so the wind can actually travel through, and this won't be working as a sail. You can actually hear the wind. And that creates pressure. So, moral to the story, when doing door closers, take note of the air pressure, and the air actually has to go somewhere. And when it's rushing past, you're going to need an even bigger door closer to compensate that. So you might put a small one on,